So I'm just going out to meet Scott Brown.
Scott Brown here. In today's exciting episode, I thought I'm
going to pick up the plate from CarpenterOne3, the router plate. CarpenterOne3, aka Frank. I just put on the Festool beanie. I thought I'd better since Scott was the one who gave it to me. And he actually gave one to Frank as well, so it's kind of one of those, I don't know, one of those circle of life things. These rabbits. And anyway, I picked up some coffees. Rabbits. There's a little baby, a little black baby. So cute. It's gonna be cool to meet Scott and Pato.
Rob has been a subscriber for a very long time, and he is one of the people that Frank made the router plates for. And this is it here.
Router plates.
Wrapped in a tissue.
Thank you, Frank, aka CarpenterOne3. I finally have the router plate in my hands and very excited.
You're very excited?
Nice, yeah.
And you've got the router too, right? You got the,
I've got the same router. Oh, nice.
Boom.
Nice, man.
And here's the OG Scott Brown plate. If you want to check that out for yourself.
Yeah. Man, that is incredible, though. It's really well made, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's done a great job.
It's way more well made than it looks on the small screen.
It's hard to see. But yeah, in person it's like, damn.
Frank, you should do some YouTubes.
Yes, that's a good.
Hey Ned, how's it going, mate? Guess who's here?
Scott Brown here. How's it going, bro? You moved to Telpo? What's going on? What's going on? Hope you've been well, bro.
Yeah.
Hey fellas, good to see you there. I am indeed in the sunny central north. Life's good here. But good job on those router plates, they look good. And Robbie better do some videos on it. And see you guys on the internet.
So let's take a look at the CarpenterOne3 router base. I have it here. And it's wrapped beautifully in handmade silk. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a thing of beauty? The really cool thing about this base plate is that it's drilled out for the fixed base, which I have, and the plunge base, which I don't have, but I'll probably look at getting that one. It's also drilled out for bushings. So my bushing doesn't work. It's drilled out for standard Porter cable one, I believe. And I've got some screws here, very kindly given to me by Scott Brown. Cheers, mate. And I'm gonna put it on now and see how she looks. This thing, man, it's like, compared to mine, it's like, I mean, this thing's like going into Subway and getting the cheapest 6-inch, and over here, it's like, man, they don't even sell these at Subway. It's like going to the steak restaurant and ordering a salad. This is the $60 rib eye. Like going to the pub and ordering a shandy, buying a whole bottle for the table. This is like having the 4-cylinder version of the car that also comes with a V8. And in other very exciting news.
Oh bro, congratulations on 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, thanks, man.
When did that click over?
Guess what? We made it to 1,000 subs. Guess what? We made it to 1,000 subs. So I just want to give a huge thank you to all the subscribers, because without subscribers there is no channel. There's just me making stuff, making videos, and watching it by myself. So on behalf of my brother and I'd like to thank all of you subscribers and all of you commenters and all of you sharers and all of you. And I hope to keep you entertained for many. It's awesome to have you all, and I hope that I'll keep you entertained and that you keep coming back and enjoying my videos. Cheers, guys. And I'd also like to thank all of you for helping me to make Takami Woodshop YouTube channel. What? To make it what? The other exciting news for the channel is that we made it to 1,000 subs. Really happy about that. We've got an awesome community of viewers, and got a bunch of cool people who comment on the videos. And I've even got my own sticker wall with friends of the channel. I'm out on official Takami Woodshop business, and come over to see Scott Brown. And,
How's it going, guys?
well, I'm applying for the apprentice position, and he was expecting some young guy, and he got this old dude show up.
Sorry, mate.
He's like, mate, you can't work more than 10 minutes without a cup of coffee. So, well, I didn't get the job.
I'm afraid there's no room at Scott Brown Carpentry. We just don't have enough business.